everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. Thank you for watching. Today I have a very cute DIY project for you for a baby shower. It could be a centerpiece slash a gift idea. I'm actually going to a baby fresh shower today. I thought it would be really cute to make the intro, you know, dressed and ready to go to a baby shower. So if you want to see how I made this DIY, keep on watching. Okay, so for the materials that we're going to need, we need a pot, the color of your choice. We need some of this foamy stuff that we're going to put inside the pot. We'll need a ribbon that says it's a girl or it's a boy. Rubber duckies, color of your choice. Washcloths, as well, color of your choice. And the ribbon that you're going to put around the pot. Then we'll need hot glue gun, extra sticks in case you run out, scissors, and we'll need these right here so we can hold up the little duckies that we're going to be putting inside the pot. So our first step, we're going to start off with our base. Because this is not a completely squared pot, it does come in at a bit of an angle. It's really hard to put the ribbon straight. So for this pot, I'm going to try something a little bit different. I think it's going to look cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in at an angle a little bit. Let me put my glue on here so it stays for me. And come in at an angle right in the center. And I'm going to put it right there. And then I'm going to come around to the back part and put some glue on here because I really want it to stay. I don't like it to move around. So I'm going to bring it right back this way, as you can see. Then I'm going to wrap it around the back, down on the bottom. You can see. I'm going to put more glue because, hey, the tighter it's on there, the better, right? You know, it's not going to fall off. Okay, we're going to do that part. And then we're going to come right back in at an angle, just like we did the first one. And then you can just look at it, see if you like how even it is. And guess what, guys? More glue. Just make sure it's nice and tight. We're going to come in, stretch it out, make sure it's nice and... That's going to give you that flat, you know, so it's nice and flat. Because the other way, the ribbon was going to just look bumpy and weird. So we want it to look we want it to look really nice. So that's what we're doing here. Now, what we're gonna do, connect here. And now what we're gonna do is just measure it, make sure you like the angle it's at. Snip, snip wherever you need to snip it. Make sure it looks cute and even. And you'll be good to go. I'll glue it right here. And we are done with the first part, which is our ribbon. As you can see, it wraps all the way around. Makes the pot look a little cute, so. Okay, so now for our second part, we are going to put the foam into here. So let's cut that out and measure it. So I put this inside there a little bit deep because we're going to be putting the washcloths in here, and we're going to be kind of draping them over. And I don't want this to get in the way, but I do want them to be able to still go in there. So we're going to start with our washcloths now. So let's take those out. All right, so we're going to put these washcloths inside here. And remember, I told you that's the reason why we left this like deep inside. So these could still come in here, but you still have the foam for when you're going to put the sticks inside. So let's start doing this. And you're just going to play with these. Put them the way you want, the way you think they look cuter, or what you like the best, and just play with them. And I mean, the more the merrier, right? So let's just start sticking this in here. Now once you start like moving them around, you'll start getting a better like, oh, okay, I like it this way, I like the way this looks. You would think it's for a boy because it's a lot of blue, but since we have a lot of pink, you know, it's still gonna look really nice. So yeah, that's what we do here. Just put the washcloths around. And as you can see, it starts looking like this. Like they're all sticking out. And then you can still play with them and try to get them to like drape over a little bit. Like this. I got 2 more left. I don't know if I should put those in there or not. Kind of like the way that looks right there, actually. Like I said, you just bend these down like this and they will drape over. They will slump over a little bit. So I have 2 left over, as you can see. And I think that's, I'm just going to put 8. I really like how it looks like that. So this is how it looks right now. It's like a bunch of little, you know, just in there. So we're gonna start putting these in, but I'm not gonna puncture them right through the foam quite yet. I'm gonna put them like in between these for now. So I just kind of, you know, can see like, do I want it that long? Do I want it a little bit shorter and stuff like that? And so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna play with them. How many ducks I have one on here? The same size. These are easy to break off. You could just bend them and break them off. And then you just stick them wherever you like. So now we're gonna go and put our little ducks, and let's see, let me open these up. So here's the little duckies. They're really cute. These can go just right on here, just like that. If you want, you can glue them on, if you want. These are actually pretty small. I had to glue on the frogs for my boy one I made one time because they were pretty big and they were moving around a lot. But for these, I think I won't have to. They actually fit right on there, which I think is really cute. And we're just gonna pop these right on here. There to go. Alrighty, so you can see here's our little duckies. They're right on there, really cuties, cutie cuties. Now the reason I picked the green ribbon for here, because you're probably wondering, well, there's no green anywhere else, It's because on this cutie right here, there's green little polka dots. You can barely see that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this ribbon out. And we're gonna pop this right on here. Now, you can, it's up to you, leave it like this, or you can snip the bottom part of this. So you're gonna do this, snip it up, and then glue it on here. I don't know why, I really like the snipping it better than keeping this on. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just snip those right off. And like I said, now you're just gonna play with that, see like kind of where you really like this. Kind of like it right there. Don't y'all think? Looks cute right there. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just snip it right on here. And we're just gonna put glue. Alrighty, so we have put the pin on there. I was finished with the product. However, I felt like something was missing. I'm very picky about what I make, so I felt like something was missing. And what I did is that I made this little bow right here. It's really cute. So what I'll be doing is I'm going to stick it right here in the front. I just felt like this V right here was a little plain and simple. So I'm just gonna stick this little bow on here, and then we'll be completely done with this project. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. This was actually really easy to make and really fast. I have it right here. It came out so cute. I really like it. I really enjoyed making this for my baby shower that's today, and I'll be giving her as a gift. I actually have something else to go along with this. So as a gift, you can actually put, you know, a gift card inside. So that's something really cute, you know, that you can give the mommy to be, and you could also use it as a centerpiece. So I had a lot of fun making this, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe down at the bottom. Hit that bell so you can get my notifications when I upload a new video. And don't forget, if you really like this video, to give me a thumbs up. That would really help my channel. And if you have any comments, please put them down below. Anything you want to watch, anything you want to see. And my daughters have a YouTube channel. I will be linking that down below if you like to take a look at that. If you have kids and you're looking for a kid-friendly channel, that's your place to go. Other than that, y'all have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. Bye!